Okay. And let's take this to be different case, K1, K2, and K3. Okay. Now, again, we have 3 springs here, so we have to assume different unstretched lengths, right? So, let this to be, tanaw natin siya, let this to be the unstretched length as A, and then this one as, let's say, B, and this one is, let's say, C, unstretched or uncompressed. In this case, murag ano na ako nga kanina stretching, kani siya na stretching, how about kanina ay compression, right? O pwede gapon stretching na lang tanan. C. Okay? Of course, we have to define this one here. Let this to be L. Okay, naka-fix ni siya diri, no? And the motion of the spring will be mag-ana-ana na siya dira. Okay? So, sa ato pa, the coordinate of this one will be x1 and this will be x2. Okay. How many potentials do we have here? We have now 3 potentials. Okay? So, first potential. Okay? That would be V1 is equal to, this will experience 2 potential energies, right? Due to this spring and due to this second spring, right? So, sa ato pa, the first potential would be 1/2 K1 times, of course, this is just the difference, no? This is just delta x1, and which delta x1 is as equal to x1 minus a. So this is now x1 minus a squared, plus the potential due to the second spring. The second spring, okay, karon ang second spring, wala ta kabalo kung na-stretch ba na siya or ni ano. Okay, but of course, we don't care. What we just want is the deformation of that. How can we calculate the deformation of that spring? Okay? How can we calculate the deformation of that spring? Okay? Now, tanaw nato ni siya. We have to refer, since we have to refer this to x2. Kuha? We cannot calculate this because ang B now would be, we transfer B here. Kung naadiri ang B, atong imove ang B diri. Because this is much easier to see. This is much easier to calculate. Okay? Right? Nasabta na to. So sa ato pa, that stretch or deformation, that deformation is just equal to this. Tama? Nakuha ninyo? Maura ni. Okay? So we'll put the B dire, no, sa iyahang dire sa kumbaga pa naa siya dire naka-attach, isa sa attached to both. But ato lang siyang gikuan. So this is our B. Motong yung B gani ato lang i-transfer siya dire. We can now calculate this. We can now find this deformation. How do we find that deformation? How do you find this deformation? That would just be equal to, of course, this is, what length is this? This is x2 minus b minus x1, right? So that would be 1/2 k2 times x2 minus b minus x1. Sakto ba? x2 minus b is this length, right? Tama? Tanawa, x2 minus b is this, right? Taman dire. That would be x2 minus b. And since na kay x1 dire, so that would be, this length now would be x2 minus b minus x1. And that would be squared. Or much better, we arrange this as x2 minus x1 minus b. Ano na lang? I'll just, i-add na lang ako, no? Okay, plus, again, plus this one. What is the unstretched length of that? What is the unstretched length of K3? That would be 1/2 K3 times, of course, mauni siya, no? Well, that is just equal to this minus, tama ka ne? X2 minus C. So this is, no. This is L minus, tama? L minus X2 minus C, right? Oh, L minus C is this, tama? Minus X2, so mo ni siya, no? Kani. That will be delta X3. Kana siya. So that would be L minus C is this length. Minus X2, that would be, so sa ato pa, this is L minus X2, L minus C minus X2, no? L minus C minus X2. Or pwede na gyapon L minus X2 minus C, pero mas kuan man gud to, mas kumbaga pa mas naitot ba? Squared. That would now be our potentials. And what's our kinetic energy? That would be 1/2 m x dot 1 squared plus 1/2 m x2 dot squared. And of course, your Lagrangian now will be just be equal to this minus that. Again, you have a coupled equation if you take the differential equation of motion. Okay? So the Lagrangian now would be equal to na ay line mass, no? M1, M2. So you have now 1/2 M1, di na ako isulat. That's just T minus V. And the Hamiltonian there is T plus V because it's time independent. Okay? So, in fact, once you have solved what's remaining is derive the equations of motion. And once you have derived the equations of motion, solve the resulting differential equation. And as of now, dili pa nato solve this differential equation. But I'd like you to review on solving coupled differential equation. Naman na sa inyong DE sa una, di ba? Naabot mo kuan, coupled. Naabot mo, di ba? Coupled differential equation. So this is a coupled differential equation. Again, the form of this is you will have M1 x dot double dot, and then you have M2 x double dot x2 equals, no? So, maunay mo arrive ani. Now, check whether the resulting equation is linear or non-linear. If the equation is linear, then we can solve it. But if the equation is non-linear, of course, it becomes now very difficult to solve. And most of the time, the only way to solve it is using computer simulation. Okay? Kay makita man niyo even the simplest non-linear form, katong sa pendulum, we use approximation to solve it. Wala gid siya gi-solve directly. Okay? Okay, now the next type of harmonic oscillator is